Hello everyone, this is me again, Sir Gary. Well, we are going to continue our lesson about matter. We already learned before that we already learned about matter, mass, and then volume, right? So we're gonna continue then to the measurement of the volume. So today we already know about this, right? This is a measuring cylinder, measurement cylinder. What is the volume of water in this measuring cylinder? Well, we can see it. Water. This is a water, right? And then how this one? Milliliter. So we just have to count it. 20, 40. This is 50, and then oh, maybe this is 55 milliliter. Let's find it out. Yes, this is a 55 milliliter. How can we measure the volume of so solid such a marble? Well, we can put it in the water. I mean, take a take a take a water and put it in the measuring cylinder and then put the marble in it. For example, like in the measuring cylinder, you already put water in it and it's at 30 millimeter. And then when you put marble on it, it increased to 35. So let's see. So we take the volume of water is 20 and 30 centimeter cubic, and the volume of water and the marble is 35 centimeter cubic. So all you have to do is to take this number and the difference between it 35 and 30. I just subtract from it. I mean, look at this. The volume of the marble is the difference between the two volumes. The volumes of marble, if you want to find out the volume of marbles, and then you just add volume of water and marble, this one, 35, and then we just minus it. We just have to subtract it to the volume of water before you put marble in it. So it will be 5 centimeter cubic or 5 milliliter. Yes, easy, right? Just take this. If you want to measure, just take the volume of water and the things that you want to put in here. For example, this example is a marble, and then measure it. Look at this, 35. And then before that, before we put marble in here, there's a 30. So we take 35 minus 30, and then we got 5 centimeter cubic. Easy as that. I hope you understand it. And then that's how you measure the volume, the non liquid things, for example, like this marble. And then let's continue then. Wait a minute. And then let's summarize our lesson. All of it. How do we know whether something is matter? Uh, as a reminder, matter is zat in Indonesian. So yeah, we have mass and occupy space. Eh, we have mass and occupy space. We are matter. Yes, we are. How about our shadow? So you just have to, well, measure it. Your shadow, for example, like this one, you know shadow, right? Shadow has no masses, no mass, no 0 kilogram. Your shadow does not occupy space. So the shadow, this one, the shadow right here, it is not a matter, because it will if something want to be called matter, then it will have to be have mass and occupy space. Yes, something like that. As just read this one. A shadow does not have mass and does not occupy space, so it is not matter. So just remember it, guys. Children, the shadow is not matter. Similarly, light and heat from the sun are not matter. The sun, however, is matter with very large mass and volume. Volume and volume. Yeah, just remember it, guys. The sun is a matter too, but the heat and the light from it is not matter, because they are not occupy space and do not have masses. Just something like that. So here's the conclusion that we have learned this week. Matter is anything that has mass and occupies space. All living things and non-living things are matters. And mass is the amount of matter in an object. Volume is the amount of the space occupied by matter. As simple as that. Yeah, take your note. I mean, take your book and then write this down. All you have learned, and just remember it, right? Matter is a zat in Indonesia. Mass is massa. Volume is a volume. Uh, Matter, I want to read it again so you guys will understand it. Matter is anything that has mass and occupies space. For example, like a rock, we can call it matter too. And human and animal, all of the living things is a matter because it occupies space and have matter, have mass on them. Living things are matter. Mass is the amount of the matter in an object. So if there's a many matter in an object, we can measure it by using mass. Volume is the amount of space occupied by matter. Simple, right? And then we're going to continue. This one, this is an exercise, so you have to answer it. I will put it in the I will put this picture together with the lesson that I will give. And then, does the apple or orange have a larger mass which has more matter? And then you write it down, okay, in English, of course. Alec fills a measurement cylinder with water. Then he gently dropped a stone from the measuring cylinder. This stone. And then just answer this based on this one, okay? What is the volume of water in measurement cylinder at first? Nah, you can zoom it. I will send you the picture of it, okay? And then what is the volume of water and stone? And then what is the volume of stone? Nah. And then the third answer is a lamp matter. What about the light and heat from the lamp? Explain your answer. I want you to write it down. I mean, to this is an assignment for you, right? You have to send it to me. Write it down. Write it down in your book and then take a photo of it and then send it to me. I think that's it for today. I'm Sir Gary and see you later then. Have a nice day. Bye bye.